everyone, welcome back to my channel, Culinary Stories. My name is Priyanka and I hope you guys are enjoying and liking my recipes. Today, we bring from the streets of Indian Chinese food, Veg Manchurian and Veg fried rice. Let's see how to go about it.
Let's see how to make Veg Manchurian gravy and balls. We take a heated pan and put oil and ginger garlic paste and saute them for about 1 minute on low flame. Then we add chopped onion and we saute it for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame till they are golden in color. Now we add half cup of water to avoid any sticking of ginger garlic paste on our pan. Now we add tomato ketchup and give it a nice mix. Now we add soy sauce and white vinegar and we mix it well for about 1 to 2 minutes on low flame. Now we add our spices, red chili powder, black pepper powder and salt. Mix it well for about 2 to 3 minutes. On low flame. Now to give a thick consistency to the curry, we add 1 spoon of our chopped vegetables. I have used red, yellow and green pepper, cauliflower and carrot. The detailed list of ingredients for both the recipes is in the description box. Mix all of them for a thick and a nice consistency for about 2-3 minutes on low flame. Once everything is mixed well, we should add 1 cup of water and cook for another 4 to 5 minutes on medium flame. When the boil has come, give it a nice boil, and when all things are mixed properly, add our cornflour mix slowly and gradually and stir it continuously at a fast speed on a medium flame and switch the gas off. Now for making balls, we take a grinder and put all our chopped vegetables, pepper, red, yellow and green, carrots, beans and cauliflower. Now we take the excess water out of our chopped veggies and add cornflour, black pepper and salt and give it a nice mix so that all the spices and the cornflour is mixed well in the vegetables. Please make sure you squeeze the excess water and then put these ingredients. Now we pick small balls, the veggie balls, and place them on a tray. My Manchurian balls are ready. I have used an air fry here. You can use an oven or you can deep fry also. Almost after 10 to 12 minutes, my Veg Manchurian balls are ready. Now let's add them to the gravy. And our Veg Manchurian gravy is ready. Let's see how to make vegetarian fried rice. The detailed list of ingredients are mentioned in the description box. For making fried rice, I take a heated pan and put oil and my chopped carrots. Please see the order of vegetables I am putting. I'm gonna saute the carrot for about 1 to 2 minutes on medium flame. Then I add my chopped beans and give both carrot and beans a nice mix and stir it for 2 minutes on medium flame. Now I add all my pepper, red, yellow and green. You can use whichever is available. I add salt and I add black pepper. And I give them a nice mix for about 3 to 4 minutes on low flame. Now I add my boiled rice. Once all the veggies are soft, I add soy sauce. It's optional to use vinegar. I haven't used, but if you want, you can use 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Give it a nice mix. And our delicious veg fried rice is ready. Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked my recipe. If you like it, please make it and let us know. Do tag us, and if you like my video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.